Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building Tootle the train from the classic children's book of the same name here. And this is what he looks like. So let's get right into the build now. We're going to start off with the front wheels, so take out blue concrete. And we're going to put a blue concrete on each rail with an end rod axle. Behind it, 3 polished deep slate slabs and another pair of blue concrete wheels with an end rod axle. Then we'll come through and put a polished flagstone button on the side of all 4 of these wheels. Then above the front wheel, we're going to put an outward facing wax cut copper stair on either side. Then in between them, we'll put a block of netherite and 2 more netherite in the middle behind it. On the front of it, we'll put 3 stairs going this way, and then underneath the stairs, 3 red nether brick slabs. Then we'll come on top, back here, and we'll put a polished deep slate wall above the back wheel. And then one on this side, and then extend each of those up by 1 like that. Then in front of it right here, we'll put another stair here and another stair right here. Then we'll do the pistons, so take a wax block of copper and put 2 of them here, then 2 wax cut copper slabs on the top, and on the front of it an item frame and a waxed block of copper. Then we'll do the same thing on this side, so 2 wax blocks of copper here, 2 slabs above it, item frame, wax block of copper here. Now we'll come back here on this second layer and do a line of 8 netherite coming up the center. Then on the side of it, we're going to take blue concrete, skip 2 behind the piston, and put 2 blue concrete, skip 1 and 2 blue concrete. Then come underneath and turn them both into 2x2s for the driving wheels. Then we'll come on this side and do the exact same thing. So 2 2x2s of blue concrete in that same pattern. Then we'll come to the back of this, on this bottom middle under this netherite, and we're going to do 2 dark oak fence gates in the middle. Then behind that is trailing wheels, so we're going to do a blue concrete on each rail with an end rod axle. Then behind that, 3 more fence gates up the middle. Then we'll put a polished blackstone button on either of these trailing wheels here. And then above this in the center, we'll do 4 more netherite. And then we're going to grab a dark oak slab and a dark oak slab above this last fence gate here. Then we're going to take deep slate brick slabs, put 5 across here, and then 5 on this side. Then we'll come up here and do our driving rods. So coming off each of these pistons, we're going to put a sideways end rod on each side. Then behind the end rod, a dark oak fence gate on each side. Then we're going to take blackstone brick slabs, and we're going to put 2 up here, 2 up here. Then we move down 1 hitbox, and we'll do 2 across here. Then we need to move down 1 hitbox again, and 2 more coming back. So it looks like this. Then we need to get up underneath here with dark oak trapdoors. And we need to come underneath here and get 2 of these trapdoors underneath here. So it looks like that. Then actually we'll add another 2 right here. And we need to repeat the whole process on the other side. So we'll come over here. We'll do 2 more blackstone brick slabs here and come down 2 here. And then, same as before, We need to get 4 dark oak trapdoors across this bottom here, and that completes our driving rods. Now come up here, put a forward-facing wax cut copper stair here, then an upside-down outward-facing stair on either side of it. Then above that, we'll do a wax copper block in the middle, then an inward-facing stair here, and an inward-facing stair here. Then another block in the middle, and an outward-facing stair here, then an outward-facing stair here, and as you can see, this makes his face. Then we need to do the nose, so we'll come in and grab an acacia button, and we'll put an acacia button on this front middle right here. Then we're going to come behind this on the bottom middle, and we're going to do a line of wax copper blocks until you're aligned with the back of this back wheel here. And add one more right here. Then we'll do a full row of upside down stairs, and then one here, and same thing on this side. Then we'll do a row of wax copper blocks up either side to the back of this, and then a row down this top middle. And then in this corner, a full row of outward facing stairs. And then same thing on this side, a full row of outward facing stairs here. Next, we're going to come on top of the front here, put our grindstone right here, crouch and get a glow item frame on the front of it, and then put a frog light in it for the headlight. Then behind that, a column of 2 wax copper blocks and a wax cut copper slab on top. Then behind it, 2 slabs, then a bell, then a slab, then 2 blue concrete. Behind that, a single slab, then an oak fence with 4 yellow candles on the top. And finally behind that, 2 slabs. Then we'll come down back here, and we need to get netherite. And right here, we're going to do a 3x4 of netherite in the middle. Then on the side of it, 4 red concrete right here, and another 4 on top. Same thing on this side, 4 red concrete right here, and another 4 here. Then take a red nether brick stair, 1 here facing inward, 1 here facing inward. Then 2 glass panes on either side, and a red concrete on the back of each side. Up here, we'll do 4 polished andesite stairs, then 4 upside down stairs facing backwards across here, then 4 right here. Then take polished andesite, 3 here, then 1 on each side, and 2 rows of 3. Put an oak trapdoor in this center hole. Then we're going to put a red banner over this stair here, and 1 red banner over the stair on this side here. Now come down back here, and we're going to put a dark oak fence gate on either side of this slab. And then above it on this top middle, we'll do 3 dark oak trapdoors right here. Now we'll come inside the cab here, and we're going to change this bottom middle block in this hole to nether brick and light it on fire. Then we can close the trapdoor over it. Then up on this top right, we're going to open a birch fence gate and put a lever under it. Then 2 item frames like this with compasses in them and a lever on the ceiling like that. Then we can turn around and put a stair on each side for seats. And now the interior's done. And this completes the basic build for Tootle himself here. And then of course, we have to build this tender, so we're going to come down behind here. So we're going to come down here on this bottom middle, and we're going to put a dark oak fence gate in the center. Then behind that, a blue concrete on each rail with an end rod axle. Then put a blackstone button on either side of these wheels. Then behind that in the center again, we're going to put 3 dark oak fence gates up the middle. So 1, 2, 3. Then we'll do a blue concrete on each rail again with an end rod axle, and then a polished blackstone button on each of these wheels. Then behind this, we'll do 2 more fence gates in the middle behind this back set of wheels. Then we're going to come on the top middle with netherite, start right here, and we're going to come down till we're 1 block before the end. Then on the end, a dark oak slab here. Then on the side of the netherite, on the upper hitbox, we're going to do 2 rows of blackstone brick slabs down each side of it, going the length of the netherite. Same thing over here. Then we're going to take out blue concrete, and we're going to come on the top outside edge of this, do a column of 2 here, and bring it down the side 2 blocks tall. Then right across the back 2 blocks tall, and then back up this side 2 blocks tall. Then we're going to take red carpet and go around this top outside edge of it with red carpet up here. And then we'll come inside right here behind these trapdoors, 3 blue concrete right there. Then we'll put 3 blackstone across here, then 2 rows of 3 here for the coal pile. Then fill the rest of this with blackstone. Then we'll take some blackstone slabs and just randomly put them around to make our coal pile look 3-dimensional here, however you want it to look. And once that's done, we need to make some banners. So we're going to come into a loom with a yellow banner and red dye. We're going to put a horizontal line on the top and on the bottom. Then we're going to go to a blue banner and red dye and do a horizontal on the top and bottom, and then a vertical on the right. New banner. We'll do a vertical on the left and horizontal on the top and bottom. New banner, horizontal on the top and bottom. Then go to blue dye and put a blue border around all 3 of these blue and red ones. And then we can come place the banners. The red and yellow one goes on the cab, and we'll put 2 of them under the window here. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Then on the tender, we're going to put 1 on each end, bracketing it like this, and then the stripes across the middle. And then the same pattern on the back, a bracket on either end, stripes in the middle, and then the same pattern on this side of the tender. And there we have it, folks. We've completed Tootle the Train from the classic children book of the same name. Something a little different here. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.